We will be using satin ribbon and 2.5 centimeters wide. For our top bow, we have size 33 centimeters long and 25 centimeters long this one. And for the tail, we have 85 centimeters long. This size of material that we prepared will make a hair bow look like this. This is very easy and quick tutorial, so let's start. Now watch closely as I show you a quick and easy way to shape the bow. And it's finished! Quick and easy, right? I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY fun. See you next time!